Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your phone supports NFC and that your operating system and Google Pay app are updated. This avoids payment failures. Open Google Pay and tap payments, then add card. Use the camera for speed or type details manually. Once you enter the card, verify it with the bank via the provided code or SMS. This links the card securely. Make sure to set a default card if you plan to use Google Pay regularly, because it speeds up checkout. Once your card is ready, practice paying. For contactless purchases, unlock your phone and hold the back near the terminal. You'll feel a vibration or see a checkmark when complete. For online or in-app purchases, choose Google Pay at checkout and confirm with your biometric or PIN. This protects every transaction. If you use transit or loyalty cards, add them to Google Pay too, because having passes and rewards in one place saves time and prevents You finish by managing cards and keeping Google Pay secure. Remove or replace cards in settings and regularly review activity for unexpected charges. Enable Find My Device and a strong screen lock. These steps prevent misuse if your phone is lost. If a payment fails, first restart NFC and the app, then update Google Pay and try re-adding the card. Tokenization can sometimes need a fresh start. If problems persist, contact your bank because authorization issues or card restrictions often require their intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.